Okay, the key to answering question A here is to draw sort of a diagram, okay? So you've got the two locations of rutting and mould, okay? And the top line tells you the bearing of mould 65 degrees from rutting, okay? So that's sort of key for me when I drew this diagram a moment ago, okay? Because when it's got bearing here and it tells you from where, that's where the bearing has been measured from, okay, from that location, 65 degrees from the north, okay. So I know 65 degrees from the north, okay, would be roughly going round about there, okay. So then we can see then mould is going to be in that direction, okay. So I can connect those two. And the idea is then that angle there will be 65 degrees, okay? So that we've got mould being on a bearing of 65 degrees from rutting. Now, it's not about drawing this accurately, okay? We don't have to get a protractor out or anything, okay? You could if you wanted to, okay? And that's one good way of actually checking if your answer is correct. But the key to this then is realising if you draw the north line then at mould, okay, you've got what we call a C angle, yeah, okay, because these two lines are parallel, okay, and with a C angle, the co-interior angles add up to 180, okay, so if this is 65, that then has got to be 115, okay, so that they sum to 180. So then when it comes to working out the bearing of rutting from mould, well, there's rutting, of course, we want the bearing of it from mould. And remember, when you measure bearings, you go clockwise from the north, so we've got to have all of that angle there, okay. So to work out all of that angle there, while we sort of use the information we've got there for that angle, and then we can get this larger angle by taking away 115 from 360, okay. So if we do that, we'll get our answer. Of course, the two angles there have got to add up to 360, haven't they? Because it's a full circle. So if you take them away, you end up then with the correct answer of 245. So in part B then, we've got sort of time zone questions. And if you look here, Cardiff, the time is given, and then the time is given in Dubai. So when you compare those two, I hope you can see that actually Dubai is 4 hours ahead, isn't it? Okay, so it's much later in the evening in Dubai, but it is 4 hours, isn't it? Because 23 take away 19 is 4. So it says then, what time is it in Dubai when it is 13:30 in Cardiff? Well, remember, Dubai is 4 hours ahead, okay? So we just need to add 4 hours on. So if I add 4 on to 13, I'll get 17. So we've got 17:30 there for the time in Cardiff. In Dubai rather. So what time is it in Cardiff when it is 02:10 in Dubai? Now they're telling us what it is in Dubai, yeah? Remember, Dubai is 4 hours ahead of Cardiff, so we need to take 4 hours away to work out what time it is in Cardiff. So when you take 4 hours away, of course you have to be careful there because it's see late at night or very early in the morning, okay, 2 o'clock in the morning. So when you take 2 hours away, for instance, you get midnight in between, won't you? Okay, so if I just took 2 hours away, I went back 2 hours, I get to 10 minutes past midnight. So we need to take away another 2 hours. Now, because of course there's 24 hours in a day, when you go back 2 hours, we end up at 22:10. Okay, so my time has got to be that center one there,